Did you know that you can activate your Windows through the inbuilt software that comes with Microsoft Windows, whether 10, 11, 8, or below? What you have to do is start button, type in PowerShell, open the PowerShell. You can open it as an administrator, follow the steps, Command yes. Here you open the SMG command prompt. So you have to type this step by step. Don't miss any word or any letter as I'm typing. So we start with IRM space HTTPS slash get dot activated dot win space you place enter. It's going to open the command where you're going to command what you have to update, or so what you have to activate. So this is the activation, that administration that comes with the Microsoft. So all what you have to do is to choose which one are you updating. 1, Windows; 2, Office; 3, whatever it is. So for me, my Windows is activated permanently and my Office activated permanently. So just for the sake of showing you, place 1. It's saying my Microsoft or my Windows 11 Pro is already permanently activated. I don't have anything to do with it. I place all to go back. When I go into, it's going to open Office. If I say 1, I want to activate, I'll just go on 1. Here, 1, update, activate my Office. So if I don't have Office, I will download by 3. It will take me to the download. That will download the Office equivalent to what is my system requiring it to have. So I'll just show you only install Office activation. Press 1. So it will process some activation. So from there it will gives me result on what is the status of my Office. So activating Office from here, CR2, whatever audition it is, it's saying my Office here in green is permanently activated. So I'm not having any issues with my activation, whether it's Office or my Windows. So with you who have problems, follow the steps, the one I have shown you. I'm going to share those codes I was typing on the first place under the video description so that you don't make a mistake. So here you just place enter and you close, or any key, you close this thing and close everything, and your Windows Office is activated successfully. Thank you for watching. Share, like, and follow for more.